Hi YouTube, this is Nelson from SoCal Airsoft Viper team here. I'm going to show you how to make an airsoft rifle cover. You can probably do this for real steel and paintball guns too. But right now I'm going to focus on airsoft guns. You can do it on any airsoft rifles. But you're most likely going to use it in your sniper rifles. So you can do it on literally any types of sniper rifles, from your UTG L96s to your Bar 10 and TM BSRs. Put this off side. You can also do it in your dog too. So all the materials you need is burlap, scissors, or you can get away with a knife, and rubber bands. Okay, so first you want to put up your gun so you can actually accomplish something. I would recommend putting a scope on there so you know with the holes in the burlap. Most likely you're going to want to use scope cover so you don't have any burlap going down your scope. Okay, so you want to open your scope or your burlap bag. Take it out. Got your burlap. I recommend not doing this on carpet or outside, because burlap, if anyone's worked with burlap, it leaves like little hair things around. Let me cut this brand new roll of Now you're basically done with your functioning rifle wrap. Let's see if I can get this up on camera. Let me get my camera up. Okay, so basically, this is what you get. Rifle wrap. You can still see the scope through the scope. It's basically what you get. You can always paint the stock or dye the part. For the rubber band wise, you can add more, add less. And basically you can always add vegetation onto the burlap strips, like adding, I don't know, you can like, I don't know, grab a bandana, pretend this is like a branch, something, tie it on, spray paint your burlap, add some colors. Like for branch wise, you can just grab your, basically your vegetation, just like literally put it in the hose right there, or rubber band it down, zip tie, whatever you want. So yeah, this is Nelson from SoCal Airsoft Viper team signing off. Hope you like, favorite, subscribe, and enjoy, and comment if you want more videos for sniper preps and stuff like that. And so bye YouTube.